Hello everyone and welcome to Be Successful, your favorite development channel. The place you always leave smarter than you came. Today I will show you how to stake AERO. First open our website aeroveth.com/dashboard and connect your Mayer wallet scanning the QR code. This process is similar to logging into Mayer Exchange. Approve connecting in your Mayer wallet and you are now logged in. Immediately after logging in successfully, you will see an icon called Staking at the bottom right. Click Add AERO in the first icon, and then select the quantity you want to add to the staking. Click on Stake again at the bottom of the page. Sign the transaction in Mayer, and you are done. From now on you contribute to the proper functioning of the AERO ecosystem, and for that you will be rewarded with a generous APR. Thank you for being part of the community and for supporting this project. Be sure to click the subscribe button. Many videos will follow on this topic, and I'm sure you don't want to miss this opportunity. You can find more information on the official page of our friends from AERO by accessing the link in the description.